Hello all guys, Sergio here. I just want to say thank you to everyone who joined the channel. Maybe it doesn't seem a lot, but that's a lot to me. So thank you. I got one more Alpha Games app that's called Bitcoin Hit. It looks like a very simple game. You just throw knives or swords at a spinning target. You have 4 stages on each level, and once you complete them, you have to fight a boss. A boss is selected randomly, so you never know what you get. But what I understood is if you are defeated for several times in a row, then you'll get a very easy boss, which is orange. And if you hit your own sword, you lose. You have 2 options: to watch an ad or restart. Here's the catch: you only get money if you defeat the boss. So let's check cash out. I requested 7 cents and here I got them. So cash out works, but in my opinion, this game is quite annoying, especially when you try for several attempts and you hit your own sword and you restart again and you only get money whenever you defeat a boss. So it's time consuming and you get so little money. If I were you, I would not install this game. If you would like to support me, please use the referral link of this app in the description. Also, if you are about to start investing, you could use my referral link of Robinhood and you get some free shares which you can sell right away. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.